With the release of Wonder Woman 1984, we're gonna turn Wonder Woman into Among Us. Let's go!
Even though I'm thinking in the third, I always find the memories that make up for the hurt. And even though loving you's a lot, can't help but give it everything I got. So I'll take your red, I'll take your blue. And maybe I'm crazy for loving you, but I want you good and I want you bad. 'Cause I love it when you drive me mad.
Thanks again for watching, and of course smash that like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what kind of character I should do next with Among Us. Until next time, peace!